Using voice navigation. RealWear devices are operated primarily by speech recognition. Instead of tapping or pressing on a button, simply speak the words on the screen to make the corresponding selection. RealWear devices have even been optimized to recognize your voice in high-noise situations. Available commands are typically displayed in all capital letters. The home screen, for example, shows the commands My Programs, My Camera, My Files, and My Training. To activate a command, simply read it aloud. You can access the Help menu by saying, Show Help. This will show the global speech commands and any contextual commands available for the current screen. To collapse it, say, Hide Help. These global commands can be spoken whether or not the Help menu is displayed at that time. You can open your programs by saying, My Programs. Applications can be opened by speaking the app name or by referencing its item number. For example, you can open your settings by saying Settings or Select Item 24. Numbers will vary depending on the amount of applications you have installed. As you can see, some pages may require you to scroll. Say Page Down to scroll down. Page Up, Page Left, and Page Right are also appropriate commands when applicable. To navigate to the previous screen you were on, say Navigate Back. You can return to the home screen from anywhere by saying Navigate Home.